London, UK. Iconic city experiences. London, the capital of the United Kingdom, is one of the most influential and visited cities in the world. A place where centuries of history stand side by side with modern skyscrapers. London offers a rich blend of culture, royalty, art, food, and global energy. From royal palaces and historic landmarks to world-class museums and buzzing neighborhoods, the city delivers unforgettable experiences for every type of traveler. You can walk streets that are over 1,000 years old, cruise along the River Thames, shop in luxury districts, or explore diverse food scenes from around the world. London is not just a city you see, it's a city you experience. Let's explore 7 of London's most iconic places and city experiences that make it truly unforgettable. 1. Buckingham Palace. Buckingham Palace is the official residence of the British monarch and one of London's most famous landmarks. Visitors gather outside to witness the changing of the guard ceremony, a traditional display of British pageantry. The palace represents the country's royal heritage and history. During summer months, parts of the palace open to the public, allowing visitors to see the grand staterooms filled with art and treasures. The surrounding St. James's Park adds beautiful green scenery to the royal setting. 2. The Tower of London. The Tower of London is a historic fortress with nearly 1,000 years of stories. It has served as a royal palace, prison, and treasury. Today, it houses the crown jewels, one of the most valuable collections in the world. Visitors can explore ancient walls, towers, and exhibitions while learning about kings, queens, and famous prisoners. The iconic beefeaters and the legendary ravens add to the site's unique atmosphere. 3. Big Ben and Houses of Parliament. Big Ben, the world-famous clock tower, stands beside the Houses of Parliament along the River Thames. This Gothic masterpiece is a symbol of London and British democracy. Walking across Westminster Bridge provides perfect views of the clock tower, especially at sunset. The nearby Westminster Abbey, where royal weddings and coronations take place, adds even more historical importance to the area. 4. The London Eye. The London Eye is a giant observation wheel offering panoramic views of the city skyline. From the top, visitors can see landmarks like St. Paul's Cathedral, the Shard, and Buckingham Palace. A ride on the London Eye gives a unique perspective of the city's mix of historic and modern architecture. It's especially magical at night when the city lights shine along the Thames. 5. British Museum. One of the greatest museums in the world, the British Museum houses millions of historical artifacts from the different civilizations. Highlights include the Rosetta Stone, Egyptian mummies, and ancient Greek sculptures. The museum's grand architecture and free entry make it a favorite stop for travelers interested in history, culture, and article. 6. Camden Market. Camden Market shows London's creative and alternative side. This lively area is known for street food from around the world, vintage clothing, handmade crafts, and live music culture. Colorful storefronts, street performers, and the nearby Regent's Canal create a fun and energetic atmosphere. It's a great place to experience London's diversity and youth culture. 7. Covent Garden. Covent Garden is one of London's most charming districts. It's famous for its historic market building, boutique shops, restaurants, and street performances. Visitors can watch live musicians and entertainers while enjoying coffee or shopping for unique gifts. The nearby Royal Opera House adds a touch of elegance, blending culture with everyday city life. From royal traditions and ancient landmarks to modern attractions and lively neighborhoods, London is a city where every street has a story. Its mix of history, culture, and global energy makes it one of the most exciting destinations on Earth. Whether it's your first visit or your fifth, London always offers something new to discover. It's not just a city you travel to. It's a city you become part of.